मॉर्निंग क्लास। आज हम बात करेंगे आपके चैप्टर नंबर 4 के बारे में, जिसका नाम है हीट यानी कि ऊष्मा। हॉट एंड कोल्ड डेज आर हॉटर देन नाइट्स। इट इज बिकॉज द पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ विच एक्सपीरियंस डे इज फेसिंग द सन। क्योंकि दिन में क्या होता है, सन दिखता है, उसकी रोशनी पड़ती है, हीट होता है, इसलिए गर्मी होती है। नाइट टाइम में ऐसा नहीं होता, इसलिए जो रातें होती हैं वो लगभग दिन से ठंडी होती हैं। रब योर palms together, they become warm. Touch an ice cube, you feel it is cold. You are already familiar with the words hot and cold. Heat is a form of energy which causes the sensations of hotness and coldness. Sometimes the sense of touch can be used to understand the degree of hotness or coldness, but is not reliable and cannot be always used to say how much hot is things. This can be shown through the activity. जब आप क्या करोगे, रब करते हो तो क्या होता है, जैसे जैसे रब करोगे तो अचानक से दोनों आपके जो पाउंड्स होते हैं वो हीट अप हो जाते हैं, गर्म हो जाते हैं। The activity shows that the hot and the cold are relative terms. These terms depend upon the surroundings. When your hand was cold, tap water felt comparatively warm. The same tap water was cold for the hand which was dipped in warm water. But we cannot say by how much an object is hot or cold. Ice and hot water have different degrees of heat energy. This degree of heat energy is known as temperature. Temperature is the degree of intensity of the heat present in an object. If an object is cold, it has less heat content and we say that it has a low temperature. If it is hot, it has more heat content and we say that it has high temperature. Measuring temperature. The instruments which help us to measure temperature of an object is called thermometer. There are different kinds of thermometer. Temperature scales. There are the 3 temperature scales. These are first Celsius scale, earlier called a centigrade scale. Second one is Fahrenheit scale, and third one is Kelvin or absolute scale, Celsius scale. This scale of temperature is in degree Celsius. इसको डिग्री सेल्सियस को ऊपर थोड़ा सा छोटा सा गोल सर्कल एंड देन C लिखते हैं उसको, and is defined in terms of ice 0.0 degree Celsius and steam 0.100 degree Celsius of water. फिर उसके बाद आता है फ़ारेनहाइट। फ़ारेनहाइट को हम डिग्री F लिखते हैं। This was the first widely used temperature scales. These scales of temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit. The scales was designed by Gabriel Fahrenheit. On this scale, the freezing point of water corresponding to degree Celsius is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point corresponding to 100 degree Celsius is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Next one is Kelvin temp scale. Kelvin को हम सिंपल K लिखते हैं, कोई डिग्री इसके साथ मेंशन नहीं करते हैं। This scale of temperature is in Kelvin. The freezing point of water corresponding to degree Celsius is 273 Kelvin and the boiling point of water corresponding to 100 degree Celsius is 373 Kelvin. On this scale, Kelvin is the SI unit for temperature. Kelvin को हम SI unit of temperature के नाम से भी जानते हैं।